12 Best Ways to Make Passive Income Online Achieve Financial Freedom Today. Hey there, future financial freedom achievers. Have you ever dreamed of escaping the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine waking up to see money flowing into your account while you sleep. That's the power of passive income, and today, I'm going to show you how to make it happen. We'll explore 12 amazing ways to generate passive income online. These methods could be your ticket to financial independence. So, are you ready to change your financial future? Let's dive in. The importance of passive income. First, let's talk about why passive income is so important. Many of us are stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. It's stressful, limiting, and frankly, exhausting. Passive income is the key to breaking free from this cycle, providing financial security and freedom. Unlike active income, which requires your direct effort, passive income allows you to earn money with little to no ongoing effort after the initial setup. It's a way to have your money work for you, rather than you working for your money. By building multiple streams of passive income, you can achieve greater financial stability and the freedom to pursue your passions. 1. Create and sell digital products. One of the most lucrative ways to generate passive income is by creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from ebooks and courses to templates and software. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, they can be sold repeatedly without much extra effort. To get started, think about your skills or knowledge areas that others might find valuable. Then, create a product that teaches or helps people in that area. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website can be great places to sell these products. The potential for scalability and high profit margins make digital products an excellent choice for passive income. 2. Start a blog and monetize it. Blogging is another fantastic source of passive income through ads and affiliate marketing. Choose a topic you're passionate about and start writing consistently. As your audience grows, you can apply for ad networks like Google AdSense and start earning from ads displayed on your site. Additionally, you can join affiliate programs related to your blog's niche and earn commissions by promoting products or services. The key is to create high-quality, engaging content that attracts and retains readers. Over time, a successful blog can generate significant revenue and become a valuable asset. 3. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a classic method for generating passive income. This approach requires some initial capital, but it can provide steady income as companies pay out dividends to shareholders. Research companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and strong financial health. Start small and reinvest your dividends to grow your portfolio over time. This method not only provides passive income, but can also increase your wealth as the value of your stocks appreciates. It's a reliable way to build wealth over the long term. 4. Create a YouTube channel. Similar to blogging, you can earn money through ads and sponsorships by creating a YouTube channel. Pick a niche you're knowledgeable about and start creating content regularly. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, or entertainment, focus on providing value to your viewers. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through the YouTube Partner Program and sponsored content. Remember, consistency and quality are key to building a loyal audience. A successful YouTube channel can generate a substantial income and provide opportunities for brand collaborations and merchandise sales. 5. Sell stock photos or videos. If you have a passion for photography or videography, selling stock photos or videos can be a great way to earn passive income. Upload your content to stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. You'll earn royalties each time someone purchases your work. Remember, both quantity and quality matter in this field. Focus on creating diverse and high-quality content that meets the needs of potential buyers. This can be a rewarding way to monetize your creative talents and reach a global audience. 6. Develop a mobile app. Developing a mobile app requires some technical skills or the willingness to learn, but it can be a highly lucrative passive income stream. Identify a problem that needs solving and create an app to address it. You can earn money through app purchases, in-app advertising, or in-app purchases. Platforms like the Apple App Store and Google Play make it easy to distribute your app to a global audience. Consider offering a free version with ads or in-app purchases to attract more users. A successful app can generate continuous revenue and provide valuable data for future projects. 7. create an online course. Share your expertise with the world by creating an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it easy to create and sell courses on various topics. Whether you're an expert in cooking, graphic design, or marketing, there's likely an audience eager to learn from you. Focus on providing real value and solving problems for your students. Once your course is live, it can generate income with minimal additional effort. Online courses offer scalability and the potential for significant earnings. 8. Rent out your property on Airbnb. If you have extra space in your home or a separate property, consider listing it on Airbnb. Short-term rentals can provide a steady stream of income with minimal ongoing effort. Just make sure to check local regulations and ensure your property meets the platform standards. With good management and customer service, you can attract repeat guests and maintain high occupancy rates. This can be a lucrative way to monetize your property and meet travelers from around the world. 9. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping involves selling products without holding inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, you order the product from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This business model reduces overhead costs and allows you to focus on marketing and customer service. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to set up a dropshipping store. Research and choose a profitable niche, then promote your products through social media and other online channels. Dropshipping offers flexibility and the potential for high profits. 10. Invest in real estate investment trust rates. Investing in real estate investment trust rates allows you to invest in real estate without actually buying property. REITs own and manage income-producing real estate and pay out regular dividends to investors. This can be a great addition to your investment portfolio, offering diversification and steady income. Research different rates and choose ones that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. REITs provide an accessible way to invest in real estate and benefit from the property market. 11. Create and sell print-on-demand products. Design and sell print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases through platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. You don't need to hold inventory or handle shipping. These platforms handle everything for you. Focus on creating unique and appealing designs that resonate with specific niches or interests. This business model allows for creativity and experimentation, and successful designs can generate significant passive income. Print on demand is a low-risk way to start an online business and test market demand. 12. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales made through your referral links. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. The key is to choose products you genuinely believe in and provide honest, helpful reviews. As your audience grows, so will your potential earnings from affiliate marketing. It's a great way to monetize your online presence without creating your own products. By building trust with your audience, you can generate consistent income from affiliate partnerships. Why digital products stand out? Now, you might be wondering which of these methods is the most effective. The truth is, the best method depends on your skills, interests, and resources. However, creating and selling digital products often stands out as particularly effective. Why? Because it allows you to leverage your knowledge and skills to create something once and sell it many times. Plus, the profit margins can be incredibly high since there are minimal costs associated with production and distribution. Digital products can be scaled easily and have the potential to reach a global audience. The journey to financial freedom. Remember, these methods aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require effort, especially at the start. But once set up, they can provide ongoing income with minimal additional work. That's the beauty of passive income. It's about setting up systems that work for you, allowing you to earn money while focusing on other aspects of your life. The journey to financial freedom involves patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Start your passive income journey today. So there you have it, 12 fantastic ways to start generating passive income online. Which one are you most excited to try? Remember, the key to financial freedom is taking action. Start with one method and give it your all. As you gain experience, you can branch out into other methods. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on achieving financial freedom. And hey, once you start seeing success, come back and share your story in the comments. Your journey could inspire others to take that first step. Now go out there and start building your passive income streams. Your future self will thank you.